Hi everybody, I'm John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Show My Desktop on Windows 8.1. There are times that when you have so many applications or Windows open up, blocking the whole screen of the computer, you cannot go to your desktop, and you have to minimize each application or Windows each time. It takes some time because sometimes you have so many applications or Windows, those folders are open. You don't want to do that one by one. So there's a one quick easy step. You can just click on it and then it hides all the windows and show your desktop. Okay, let's get started. The first way is on Windows 8.1. If you point the mouse on the lower right, you see a small bar here. Just click on it and then it hides everything and show your desktop. You see on the you see my mouse here. This this the place you want to hit. Another way is to right click. Another way is to right click the taskbar and then right click on it and you see the show the desktop option. You can always do that also.